Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So let's draw a beautiful bug that I'm gonna draw with a circle and then dividing it into half and then put some shades with the black color and then draw the hands and the legs. So here's a bug on the leaf. So let's move on. So I'm circling again and then I'm drawing the body and a smiley face and the wings and the legs is being drawn. Here's a beautiful bee that has been shaded with black sketch and with a red sketch. So and the wings with a light blue sketch. So here's a beautiful honeybee. So let's move on. Using a brown sketch, let's draw the wood stick and then I'm drawing a body with the different shades. Let's draw the faces and the smiley emojis and then the legs. So here's a beautiful worm. So I'm drawing a butterfly. So first draw the wings and then put the circles into the wings. Draw the face with the smiling lips. Draw the body and then shade them with pink and the yellow color. Now using a scale, so I'm drawing the two circles and the body and then beautiful eyes and then a wings is being drawn. So here a butterfly with the flies is being drawn. So next I'm drawing an ant, shade them with a brown sketch and then draw again a circle and then using a black sketch draw the faces and then shade them. Draw the leg of the ant and then it's carrying an apple above it. Let's move on. So here I'm drawing two circles, again an inner circle and then let's draw the body and the flies. So it's been shaded with blue and the yellow color. So among body and the ears and the eyes and the lips is being drawn. O, the human beings tell O in a reaction. So the O emoji reaction with the face and then a leg and the body is being drawn. So here using a number 6 I'm drawing the double layer and then drawing the tail. So let's draw the eyes and the lips. So here a snake is being drawn. So put some inner circles to the snake body. Shade them with a black sketch. So again a circle is being drawn. Again a wings is being drawn slowly. So and a leg and then the face of the eyes and the lips and the leg. Shade them with a crayon of red color to the wings slowly, half part of the wings, and use an yellow color and the green color and the pink color. Here's a beautiful butterfly.